Good day, my wonderful people at home. My name is Swanko, here for teacher. Right, today in our mathematics, we are taking a look at cube root. And our cube root today, we are still going to talk about division of what? Cube root. Okay, now division of cube root today, I'll give you some examples. And after that, we'll do our classwork. Math is fun, am I right? Now get your paper, get your pencil, your biro, sit and let's do it together because it's very simple. Now let's roll it on the board. The first one I said is okay, division of square root. Division of what? Squares. Okay, in division of square today we have it as what? 3 cube plus 2 cube. Okay, divided by, this line across here is divide. So divided by what? 4 cube. Okay, plus what? 1 cube. Now it's very simple. I'm going to stop it step by step, right? Okay, now look at it. You have that as 3. Okay, we have 3, bring them here. 3 times 3 times 3 plus, okay, 2 times 2 times 2. Now, alright, I said anything number that's the power of 3, so let's start here. Since you contain, you have 3 times 3 times 3 plus 2 times 2 plus times what? 2. So this round that come across here is our divider. So divided by 1, this is 4, that's the power of 3. Have that 4 times 4 times 4 plus 1 times 1 times 1. Alright, the final answer. Okay, let's roll it. 3 times 3 times we have it equals to 27. Okay, plus this, there's 2 times 2 times 2, that's plus 8. Now divide sign come here, divided by 1, this is 4. 4 times 4 times 4, we have that 64. Plus, a plus sign, bring it here. 1 times 1 times 1, have it as what? 1. Okay, so we're going to add it together first. Let's add the numbers together before we know what to do. The next one we say 27 plus what? Plus 8. Here will give us 35. All over. That's divided, okay? 64 plus 1. Here give us what? 65. Right. Okay. We look for a number that can divide 2 of them equally. Now let's use 5. Okay, 5 can go to this list. 5 here we have 7. Okay, 5 here we have 15. Am I right? Okay, that is our final answer. Okay, all right. Now let's go to number B. It's very simple. I tell you that math is fun. Now let's run it to number B. Having here, let's start over here. Since we contain that just like the first one. Here, 7 to 3 places. We have 7 times 7 times 7 plus here 1. Am I right? Times 1 times 1 divided by 2. 2 raised to the power of what? 3. 2 times 2 times 2. Am I right? Now let's roll it together. Remember, you want to multiply this one out 1 by 1. So it equals 2. Now let's roll it. We have 7 times 7 times 7. Am I right? That will give us what? Give us 344. Okay, 344. Alright, if you give us 344, then we have it as number what? Number 2. All over. You multiply this. This is what? 1. Multiply this one again. Now let me do 1 by 1 so you understand. And then this is 343. When you add this one, don't be surprised of how I'll get 244. This time this will give me 343. Then plus this one, 1 times 1 times 1, remain 1. That is how I got my 344. Okay, let's do step by step. Divided by this time 8, 2 times this one, 2 times 2 times 2, give us 8. Now let's bring it together down. When we add this together, that is how I got my what? 344. Don't be confused. All over divided by what? 8. Alright? Are we together? Now let's roll it. 2 can go. 2 here, we have 4. 2 here is we have 1. Put it here because 14. 2 into 14, 7. Am I right? Put it here again because what? It becomes what again? It becomes 14. Am I right? Right. Alright, okay, I said we are going to use 2 to divide it. 2 into 8, I have 4. 2 here, I have 1, 2. Put 1 here and give me what? 14. 2 into 14, I have what? 7. So 2 into 4, that's 2 divided by 4 we have here. What do I have here? 1, 2. Okay, let's bring it out. we have 172 over 4. Now that's not the final answer, because here you can see that it has turned to improper fraction, which means the baby is carrying the model and the baby cannot carry model. So we're going to divide, bring it to the lowest term. So by we say 4 here, 1. 4 into 17, that is, we have 4. Remember 1, put 1 here because what? 12. 4 into 12, that's 3. So our final answer, it gives us what? 43. These are final answers. So don't forget, I told you math is simple. Let's run it again from the beginning. You have 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 raised to the power of 3. You multiply each of them one by one. That is how we got 27 plus 8 divided by 64 plus 1. So this plus 27 plus 8 give us 35 all over 6 plus 64 plus 1 give us 65. Then we use 5 to divide it, we get what? 7 over what? 15. Now here we have 7 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3. Now, I told you doing it one by one. Multiply this together. 7 into 3 places plus 1 into 3 places. That's how you got what? 340 what? 3. This one give us 1. Alright, divided by 12. By 8. Okay? Therefore, that's 2 times 2 times 2 give us 8. Am I right? Now let's write it down. We bring it down to get 344 all over 8. Then we use 2 to divide. 2 divide here, we get 4. 2 divide this, 344, we have 172. Then we use 4 to divide this one. 4 here, 1. 4 into 172, we have 48. Alright, that is our final answer. Now let's go over to our home dream. Our home dream for today is solve the following. Okay, number 1, square cube of 342 plus cube of 216. Number 2, cube root of 3 minus cube root of 1. Number 3, cube root of 27 plus cube root of 8. All over what? Or it's divided by what? Cube root of 125. Don't forget about 3. Cube root of 27 plus cube root of 8 divided by cube root of 125. Alright, I'm going to see you on the next class. I remember this one.